2. Good afternoon, and now live from the recording studios of Binary Computer Solutions in Shelburne. I'm Dave Curtis. Hi, Blaine. On Tuesday, we talked about a ranch home that has roughly 1,500 square feet. Today, let's take a look at another popular configuration with the same square footage. In our second configuration, you'll see that on the drawing, the master suite is at the left and the kids' bedrooms are at the other end of the house. The central core of the home is in the living, dining, and kitchen areas, typically also in an open concept that will again flow nicely for a family and/or entertaining. We have also shown you a bird's eye view, so let's do that again today. Today's home, unlike the one the other day, you can see a significant change in the layout, with the central core of the home being the living. It lends to a more open feel than some mature families may prefer over a tightly grouped bedroom and bathroom configuration. Even though things are different, there are some commonalities. For example, in today's configuration, the kids' rooms, which may be for guests, and let's not as large as the master suite, but often this is desired with empty nest couples. Perhaps they will use one of the bedrooms as a home office, a supply room, an art room, a home gym, a den, a study, or just a catch-all room. And the other bedroom would be for guests if kids come to visit. The central core of the house flows nicely and welcomes guests, whether they be friends, neighbors, watch a football game, family gathering around the kitchen island, recounting stories of previous family gatherings. The ranch home, America's home, is well suited for young families where the kids are close to mom and dad or at the other end of the house. Both of these versions are inviting to families and friends. Today, let's get into some of the details about the engineering and the building behind a ranch home. Today, we look at how the house is built and what the house is built with as compared to its design and style. At Vermont Modular, we emphasize that every home is custom built, and we strive to have every home be as energy efficient as possible. To achieve our goal of energy efficiency, we use a series of building products in a unique combination. Not only are we looking for energy efficiency, but also structural strength and integrity. As the likelihood of severe weather seems to be dramatically increasing, it is important to use stronger products. For example, all of our floor joists are 2x10s. All are placed 16 inches on center with a double 2x10 rim joist that has been glued, nailed, staggered, and pressed. Floor decking is all tongue and groove. That's 3/4 inch. That is again glued, nailed, creating a strong structural foundation for the rest of the home, and it eliminates the possibility of squeaky floors. All of our interior walls are 2x4, 16 inches on center, and throughout the house, all of the headers that are, above the doors and windows are spaced apart, and then the center void in the middle is filled with insulation. Ceiling systems that also double as a part of the ranch house's roof, the truss system, are engineered and calculated to accommodate the snow load that is typical for your precise location. We have seen where two homes in the same identical municipality will have different snow load requirements, primarily caused by an increase or a decrease in elevation. There is no need to ever shovel snow off the roof. It is built strong enough to carry the weight of a 100-year storm for your location. As a side note, we would also encourage anyone who does foolishly go up on the roof to shovel off the snow, never do this standing on the roof. It's extremely dangerous. There are a series of things that we do not do. First, a well-built home today normally uses 7/16 inch sheathing on the roof. We use only 5/8 for added strength, and all of the roof rafters are 16 inches on center. Again, a well-built home today uses 1/2 inch sheetrock. We use only 5/8 sheetrock, again, for added strength. Most well-built homes use 1/2 inch sheetrock in the bathrooms. We use only 5/8 green board in all of the wet areas, including the bathrooms. Many beautiful kitchens rely on particle board as the material for the cabinet box. We use only plywood. It is stronger and it gives you a much better kitchen cabinet. Most new homes use 14 gauge wiring as part of a 15 amp electrical circuit. We use only 12 gauge wire with a 20 amp circuit. Virtually every home comes with windows that are double pane glass. We don't do that. We use only triple pane glass to increase energy efficiency. If you have questions specific to the building process for the ranch home, or about the engineering, the designing, or the delivery process, we encourage you to reach out to us. We would love to provide you with answers and get you comfortable in your dream home. Tomorrow, you will find out the exact cost of this ranch home. See you then. Have a good afternoon.